Hi guys, I'm Faith with Transform Pros, and I'm here to talk a little bit about the ways that I can help you simplify your life and manage it and how it all works together. I love the ability to empower people with the right tools on how to manage different aspects of life. I think there's a whole lot going on. If we think about what it was back in the 1950s, the most outfits a woman had was 7. So I think about that and it makes me just cringe with the amount of stuff that I have in my closet, even though I try to be a minimalist as best I can. I still find that I have a whole lot more than I really need. Generally, we only use 30% of what we own on a daily basis, and so all that other stuff is just being stored because at one time we used it. So I want to go over a little something about how we work. This is you. Each person has a lot of different areas that they manage in life, depending on where you're at. Most of all, we have our loved ones. And this is probably mom and dad, your spouse. You have probably some kids, depending on how many you have. Those take up some time. Some pets. And we kind of want to spend our time doing that, but in all reality, we have this home that consumes a lot of our energy with meal making, cleaning, maintenance. We have a lawn that needs constant care. Let's see. Oh, we have a car. It's not part of your home, but it kind of takes care of you, gets you from point A to point B, and there's plenty that comes along with that, right? Laundry, right? My goodness. So this is a constant thing, right? And it keeps us pretty busy. Most of us have jobs. Some people are business owners, so they have marketing, clients, bookkeeping, accounting. Let's see. There's a budget. Let's say you're doing a team building. And this can branch out into a ton of different ones depending on, like, if you're hiring people, the workloads. You would know if you have a business. Then we have our finances. There's retirement. Kids is college. Vacations. Just our budgets. Let's see, how about fun? Like to do the outdoors, read, friends. Oh, let's see. What about, let's see, community? Some people are big on the community, like to go to events, church. It varies for different people, but if you can see, like, that's just roughly the basic stuff that people are really busy with their lives that we all have to maintain. And we really only have, if you think about it, 24 hours in a day, right? Seems crazy. Like, how do you maintain all this in a 24-hour day? You can't. That's the bottom line. So having systems in time management is key to allowing the ability to properly balance all these things. We really technically do all of this because we want to spend time with our family, we value our home, and we want to have fun or community, right? So really the money, here we go. This money aspect that takes up most of our energy and our work is really done so we can enjoy life. So I love coming and showing tools to helping you maximize your time, simplifying all the energy so you're not doing somersaults from one place to the other. There's a big difference when you're putting your energy in a balanced way into all these different directions. Then you're not cutting certain areas off and burning yourself out. I would love to help you figure out what areas you are giving a lot of attention to and which areas are being robbed from the time and the energy that they should be having in order to create these systems that simplify your life and allow you to take back and live the way you want to be living.